To perform this activity, you'll start with a bench or box behind you and a barbell just below shoulder height. You'll put both hands on top of the barbell and then bring your elbows forward until your upper arm is parallel with the ground. You'll push up slightly and step back to unrack the bar. Then from this position, you'll inhale at the start. You'll exhale about half the air on the way down and half the air on the way up. Inhale at the top. Exhale half. And the other half. When you're done your reps, you'll step back forward to re-rack the bar. To progress this activity, you progressively lower the box or bench that you're using. If you're unable to use the traditional grip for the front squat, go under the bar first, balancing the bar on your shoulders. Bring your hands to the center of the bar and then lift your elbows up until they're parallel with the ground before coming up slightly to unrack the bar.